Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add members in Trello. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, click on Trello icon right here and this will show you your workspaces. Choose the workspace that you want to add a member to. So in my case it will be this one and expand it with this icon. Now just simply click on members right here. And here you should see the button Invite Workspace Members. Click on it. Here you can type email address or name of the person or just simply create a link right here. And this link is automatically copied to your clipboard and you can send it to anyone. Or just type their email addresses right here and leave them a message. So join my workspace. And then you can simply send an invite with this button. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.